Veda, and welcome back to Sippin with Mete and I.
Your destination to black-owned spirits, guys. We appreciate y'all for rocking with us for the past 3 days. It's not like y'all been rocking with us for the past 20 days, but for the past 3 days, y'all been subscribed to the channel. We got like 12 new subscribers. Y'all been sharing this out. Y'all been commenting. Y'all been excited about these. What's to come for the next 31 days. So if y'all know Veda, we're participating in Veda, as she just said, which is vlogging every day in August. And for the next 31 days, we're gonna be making black-owned cocktails. Well, your favorite cocktails using black-owned spirits. And today we're gonna make
We're making a Blue Lagoon, or some people may call it a
electric lemonade.
Electric lemonade.
Now, electric lemonade is something that I've ordered several times at certain hotels. So I haven't ordered in the club, so I'm not sure if it's a club favorite, but it's definitely something that I ordered before at a hotel. And pretty much it's vodka, lemonade, and blue. What's it called? Curacao, blue Curacao, and then a Sprite. So for the next 31 days, guys, again, we're gonna be remaking some of your favorite classic cocktails using black-owned spirits. Just something quick and simple for you getting off work, your everyday cocktail, just substituting black options instead of buying, regular Tito. We're gonna be using today Fiyori. Now, Fiyori is a black-owned vodka. It's hemp infused, made out of Nashville, Tennessee. Shout out to Clarence.
Hey, Clarence.
Fiyori is a new vodka. It's one of our favorites. So I'm excited to see how this is gonna mix with this cocktail we're gonna make. So y'all, make sure y'all continue to watch us for the rest of the month. Subscribe to the channel. Please share us out. Anybody who like cocktails and mixed drinks, this is where you wanna be at, period.
Oh, yeah.
But definitely for the next 31 days. And I wanna see y'all, if y'all wanna recreate some of these drinks that we make, post them, share them. And let us know, tag us in the video. And if you got any ideas of what cocktail we should make this month for the next 31 days, please put that in the comments below.
And we have been loving the feedback so far. We have a Moscow Mule.
A Moscow Mule, shout out to Shy. And then someone else made a comment.
But we've been reading them, and then we were like, okay, we have to recreate it. So we're going to recreate anything you all suggest.
Got so, all right, without further ado, let's make an electric lemonade. Alright guys, so here you have it, electric lemonade.
Beauty. In my bed.
Using Fiyori. Shout out to Clarence, all the good people over there in the Tennessee collective group over there in Tennessee doing big things. But without further ado, I don't want to waste this. Let's drink and see how it tastes.
You don't want to share. Might I add, this is a gluten-free vodka.
You already know all the health components of hemp.
Oh my!
This is an organic hemp seed.
Yeah. Yeah.
We did it. K. Lamar.
Do you need a mixologist in your life? Because we are that. Okay. Hold on.
Baby.
No, I ain't gonna. No, that's for
Clarence
Carter. Yeah, this is so good.
Guys, use your favorite black-owned vodka. You got King 79, you got Black Leaf. Today we're using Fiyori. You got Timeless Vodka. There's so many. You can use Bombay.
And there's no burn. Like
Island John. There's so many tusks. There's so many 716.
Yeah.
We're gonna be using all of them in the next 32 days, 31 days. But y'all, this is so amazing.
It really is. It's very light. I can do that.
Man. Y'all, so we're not gonna hold y'all up. Y'all, please try this out. Let us know how y'all make it out. A lot of people didn't use. We use.
Tag us in your
We use
picture.
lemonade. Some people use triple sec. Some people use sweet and sour mix.
A few different ways.
So there's several different ways to do this. A lot of people didn't have didn't top out with Sprite. We use Sprite. So some people use soda water. Club soda, however you want to use it, guys. But again, try this out. Thank y'all so much for rocking this video. Make sure y'all follow us on Instagram at Sippin with me and I. Y'all also subscribe to the channel. Tell me where to get these merch at, baby.
Shopmeteandi.com. Again, that is shopmeteandi.com.
You got the dope in real life. We got, of course, the Sippin' with Me Not cup, the Sippin' with Me Not shirt. We got all this classic stuff on our shopmeteandi.com website. That's it, guys. Hope y'all like this video.
No, we hope you love this video. We know you love this. No, not video. We hope you, say, I hope you like this recipe.
Oh my God, baby. The video's over, baby.
No, say, I hope you like this recipe.
I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
That's a good one.
Hey,
Okay.
I need that. I said,
all right, guys. So stay tuned tomorrow for the next drink. I'm not sure what the next drink gonna be. Probably.
It's my turn.
Yeah.
It's my turn.
Probably something sweet and gentle and savory.
Yeah, y'all know me. It's gonna be sweet, savory. It's gonna be all that because I like pretty treats that are easy on the chest. Let's do this.
We love y'all. See y'all
Love you
tomorrow.
guys.